So you've started your Punnett Square genetics activity with Ms. Sears in science class, and now you're extending that with the Game of Life project in math class. Ms. Sears, in her class, you were assigned, or you chose a career, level of education, and so you should know your annual income. What we need to do is find out your monthly income and then take 30% of that for taxes. So, as an example, if you make $150,000 annually, that's how much you're going to make in 1 year. In order to know how much you're going to make monthly, you need to divide that by 12. So if you were to divide 150,000 by 12, that would give you 12,500. So this would be your gross monthly. So going back to the budget sheet, you would fill in whatever your annual is, divide by 12, and you put that answer here. For my example, I was making 150,000, and when I divided that by 12, this is how much it would be monthly, each month. Now, you need to take whatever your gross monthly income is and multiply that times, you need to find 30% of that. So, whatever your monthly is, my example was 12,500. If I want to find 30% of my gross monthly, this is just like what we did for homework the other night and what we took notes on in class. This is finding the percent of a number. And you know that first you need to change the percent to a decimal. So you drop this, put that decimal place in there, move it 2 times. So I want 0.3 or 0.30 of, means multiply, times your 12,000. And when you multiply that out, you know that you're going to need to, I'm just going to do 0.3. Because 0.30 and 0.3 are the same. 0, 0, 15, carry the 1, 6 is 7, and then that's 3. And I have to add back in my decimal. So I have 1 place, so it's 1 place. So this would be how much I'm paying for taxes. So you would go to your gross monthly sheet, and you would fill in your deduction. What does deduction mean? Deduction means to take away. So whatever you get when you multiply your gross monthly salary times 30% is what you're going to take away. So mine was $3,750. So I'm going to put in $3,750. And then I have to subtract those. That tax is coming out. So whatever you got for your annual, you multiply it times 30%. Once you get that, you need to subtract that. And when I subtract those two, I get $8,750. This is your net monthly income. This is how much you have to work with. So then when you start doing your housing and all the other things, you're working from this number.